Let me show you the best gadgets. Today you will see an awesome watch, a gadget that helps you change your habits, and the best on our list today that you have to see are gloves that you can't believe exist. Watch the video till the end to see all the gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, "I subscribed" to be in the next video. Number 1. Hövding 3 Urban Cyclist Airbag. Looking for a safer alternative to helmets? Try the HEVDIG 3 Urban Cyclist Airbag that reads your movements 200 times per second, and in case of an accident, it inflates around your neck and head in just 0.1 seconds. If connected to your smartphone using Bluetooth, it automatically notifies emergency contacts and tells you the battery status. It lasts for 15 hours of active cycling and takes just 2 hours to recharge. The cover is waterproof and repels dirt. Get it today at 20% off for $289 and cycle safely. Number 2. NVIDIA DGX Station A100 Desktop Workstation. Are you a researcher moving closer towards a breakthrough? Accelerate towards your journey with an NVIDIA DGX Station A100 desktop workstation. It is packed with 4 80GB GPUs and a total of 320GB of HBM2E memory. It also comes with a 64-core, 128-thread AMD EPYC cup and a huge memory system of 512GB. Plus, it comes equipped with 7.68TB of NVMe M2 SSD for storage. The refrigerant cooling system prevents any overheating, so you can use it over long hours regardless of the workload. Super excited? Buy it now for $199,000. 3. LumaCharge T2W Bluetooth LED Lamp. Use this lamp to charge your phone, take conference calls, watch a video, and listen to music because it can do it all. How? It has a built-in wireless charger, the speaker connects wirelessly, and it can be paired with Alexa and Google. The product has a full calendar display, daylight time-saving programmed in it, along with 3 color modes: soft, bright white, and soft yellow. You can even adjust its brightness. So, light up your life at 30% off for only $69. Number 4. BenQ EH600 Wireless Smart Projector. This projector is truly smart and can level up your presentations with its cord-free design. It's compatible with Mac, iOS, PC, and Android. Conveniently use your smartphone as a remote control through the BenQ app or navigate using a wireless keyboard and mouse setup. Plus, with internet connectivity, it lets you search the web in real time. You can even edit documents directly on the BenQ EH600 screen to finish your projects. Ready for your next big day? Get it now for only $999. Number 5. Astropad Luna Display for Windows. Turn your iPad into a wireless display for your PC with this product and make your remote work life much easier. Choose a USB-C or HDMI connector and set it up in seconds. It works instantly over your Wi-Fi, and you can also opt for a USB connection. Delivering incredible image quality and no lag, this display for Windows feels like a natural extension. This iPad PC display is certainly worth a shot, so try it out for $80 only. 6. Yale Smart Delivery Box Package Safe. In a world where nothing is safe, the Yale Smart Delivery Box Package Safe makes sure that the packages delivered to your doorstep stay protected in your absence. It comes with an optional cooler bag so that perishables can be delivered. If you'd like, you can even control access to the box remotely via a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection. If you are a shopaholic, then we highly recommend you to get it. The product is available for only $230. Number 7. The Pet Toy Bittle Palm-Sized Robot Dog. The Pet Toy Bittle Palm-Sized Robot Dog is not only fun but also educational. This affordable robot dog helps teach coding and STEM through playing tricks just like real animals do. The tiny robot pet has a compact design that's been fine-tuned for an agile feeling, and its spring-loaded legs give it a soft-to-the-touch sensation. It moves on 4 legs with a dynamic motion that lets it navigate unique terrains. Simply bring this palm-sized robot dog to life by assembling its puzzle-like frames, running demo codes, and injecting new skills with your codes. Pre-order it today for just $225. Number 8. Moon photography device. If you are an amateur astrophotographer who doesn't want to waste money on high-tech devices, then you must try this gadget. It enhances your phone's capabilities and helps you get impressive sun and moon photographs. Designed by professionals, this device works great for both beginners and pros because it's super easy to use. It comes with a universal clip that allows it to work with any smartphone. Compact, durable, and lightweight, this convenient telescope works in any climate anywhere in the world. Unleash your creativity by capturing beautiful moments on your smartphone. Grab it at a 70% discount for $59 only. Number 9. Propel Reason Muller Load 60 Collection Electric Cargo Bikes. Do you love cycling but want a safer alternative? If so, then your wishes have finally been answered. These electric cargo bikes come in 6 models, with each of these offering excellent handling in every condition, including on tarmac, gravel roads, and forest trails. Each e-bike is lightweight, agile, and handles vibrations and impact, making your ride more comfortable. It keeps your luggage protected, and you can even bring 2 children along for a ride. The 2 5-point belts provide a comfortable and safe experience, and the all-terrain tires, which are puncture-resistant, provide great durability. Now, travel safe and smooth for just $8,099. Number 10. Tidal Light Innovative LED Light Cube. Enhance your living space with this LED light cube. Complete with mood lighting, a music visualizer, and lamp features, this device integrates light, sound, and space inside your home. Using the emoji feature, the Tidal Light enables you to send 3D emojis straight to the lamp. Simply use the paint feature to create your animated emojis and send them to people in your network. Additionally, the Tidal Light provides clock and timer features, and using Wi-Fi connectivity, the Light Cube can also turn on right away via the app without requiring any assembly. Finally, with 512 LEDs, it lets you set your favorite color, paint your animations, and more for just $249. Number 11. Aidophedo Earth Moon Rotating Mechanical Watch. Inspired by the Earth and the Moon system, this rotating watch uses Swiss SW200 movement and has a unique structural design made of high-quality elements. The Earth-Moon watch case and lugs are made of stainless steel, and the cover is made of sapphire crystal glass. Furthermore, the glass has a pot lid shape and is manually polished for an added 3-dimensional look. With Swiss Superluminova in the design, it also has an hour hand that indicates the constellations. The minute hand, however, is Earth. You'll be able to tell the time from any angle, and the gradient blue color will appear different depending on how you view it. Excited? Pre-order this masterpiece for just $961. Number 12. Zeus HighTech Wallet. Tired of losing your wallet? Try the Zeus HighTech Wallet. This modular wallet has a built-in tracking alarm, making it nearly impossible to lose. One of the layers contains an active tracker tag that synchronizes with your smartphone. Moreover, it blocks RFID signals too to help protect your information. Made from an aluminum alloy, this card holder has a light profile that makes it easy to carry in your pocket. It manages to resist corrosion and impacts that may occur if dropped or bumped. Including a money clip and sliding box for cards, this everyday carry essential can hold it all with ease. Pre-order it now and save your valuables for just $77. Number 13. Pavlok 2 Habit-Changing Wearable. Making new habits is easier said than done, but thankfully, the Pavlok 2 Habit-Changing Wearable makes that easier. Simply strap this habit tracker on your wrist and it will help you break bad habits while developing good ones. It might sound too good to be true, but this gadget uses real-time haptic feedback as behavioral triggers. Through vibrations, sounds, and LEDs, it notifies you when you're making either good or bad choices. What's more, this wearable uses a patented zap circuit as a stimulus that's designed to help you change your habits once and for all. Plus, it acts as an activity tracker as well, so you'll get information on your steps, sleep patterns, and movement throughout the day. Ready to make a life-changing habit? Try it for $179 only. Number 14. NeuroLeet EEG Brain Training Wearable. With the NeuroLeet EEG Brain Training Wearable, you can improve both your brain and your game. Designed to optimize your gaming performance, this gadget helps you avoid the stress that comes with losing and poor performance. Fit it into your gaming headset with ease, and then this gamer brain training wearable provides you with real-time brainwave feedback. It connects to a PC app, and the software provides you with an analysis of your brain patterns and a full report of your mental performance. You can use this information to identify your mental strengths and weaknesses. Furthermore, the NeuroLeet wearable uses gyros to detect your physical state, and it helps you improve with interactive training sessions. Better your brain and optimize your gaming performance with this brain training wearable. Become a better gamer by spending only $224 at a 47% discount. Number 15. HaptX DK2 Haptic VR Gloves. DK2 VR Gloves have just gotten better. Designed by HaptX, this gadget can create a sensation that you're touching the objects you're seeing, providing an experience out of this world. The upgraded gadget is also much slimmer, ergonomic, and comfortable. How? The 133 tactile feedback points per hand provide a new and improved reality experience. The improved gadget provides up to 40 pounds of resistance per hand by nearly double the strength of other force feedback gloves, and it also comes with lower latency to prevent delays. The reduced overall size helps to account the air controller onto your back for enhanced mobility. In addition, the gloves achieve true contact through its microfluidic technology. With all these features, this product meets the height of technology. If you're curious, we highly suggest you give it a shot. Which product did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more such amazing videos.